back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today, guys, I'm really excited to share a tour of an amazing Christmas wonderland. I'm going to take you through the store, Ronnie's Home Depot, where they have a section of the store called Christmas Wonderland, and it is a Christmas paradise, guys, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. Now, every year I get really excited to visit this store. I absolutely love seeing all types of Christmas decorations. If you like pastels, they've definitely got it, guys. They've got the traditional reds. They've got every colour that you could possibly think of. They've got everything from ribbon to bows to signs, you name it, they have it. Now, I will say most of these things are very high end in price. Like everything these days, guys, everything has got very expensive. Now, don't get me wrong, there was things that were affordable, absolutely, but I did find the larger pieces were very high end and expensive when it come to decorating. But just the feeling that you get when you walk in this store, it was just so magical.
see the candles come as the year gone by. for perfection now, and consumption so high. I know it's cold outside, but give me your hand so I can show you what love is. Dear Christmas, I want you so, but I don't need the presents. Just wishing for snow and some company by those that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone. I don't wanna be here alone. When I dream of Christmas, it's not always joy, but that's okay with me as long as you're here. I know it's cold outside, but give me your hand so I can show you what love is. Dear Christmas, I want you so, but I don't need the presents. Just wishing for snow and some company by those that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone. I don't wanna be here alone.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house, that's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The stockings were all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the tour of Ronnie's Home Depot in Penrith for their Christmas Wonderland. I hope you're all having a wonderful week so far, and I'll see you next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.